France finally admits it has special forces in Libya, following media reports that 3 French soldiers were killed when their helicopter was shot down outside the eastern city of Benghazi.
La Libye connaît également
Libya is home to dangerous instability. Libya is just several hundred kilometers from European shores. We are currently carrying out dangerous intelligence operations. 3 of our soldiers who were taking part in these operations have just lost their lives in a helicopter accident.
Paris took a leading role in the NATO air campaign that helped rebels overthrow Muammar Gaddafi in 2011. Taking advantage of the power vacuum that followed, the Islamic State group has since established a stronghold in the coastal city of Sirte. As political deadlock continues in the country between its 2 rival governments, officially the international community only recognises the UN-brokered Tripoli unity government. However, Wednesday's news shows things look different on the ground.
France is involved in Libya. Politically, it supports the government of Tripoli, recognized by the United Nations. But here, the fight in Benghazi is being done alongside General Haftar, which is the enemy of Tripoli. So it shows us the complications of the situation in Libya, but it shows us also that France is determined to fight jihadi groups.
French daily Le Monde reported back in February that French special forces were present in the east of the country, but until now the government had only confirmed reconnaissance flights. The news comes as rival factions get ready to meet in neighbouring Tunisia this weekend in a bid to break the political deadlock.